Howdy folks, and welcome back to another episode of Ugly Dog Lures. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I was contacted by Hodge and he wanted me to review some lures for him, so I'm going to do that for the man. These are a 6-jointed swim bait. Very nice little lures, folks. I don't mind doing that for him at all. Last year I actually purchased this set of lures. I do buy lures from other people. I'm always looking out for new and different stuff, so I do that. But these are a nice lure. They're $14.99 for the set of 3 is what they cost, and the shipping, that y'all have to work that out yourself. I have nothing to do with none of that. But yeah, they're a great bait. I actually fished them quite a bit last year and caught some smallmouth and some white bass on them. So I like them a lot. Pretty good lure. But you know, y'all make your own mind up. I'm going to do the review the way I think it should be done. They seem to be a very, very tough lure because I bounced them off rocks and everything else, and they survived. So I'm kind of that way. They're a slow sinking swim bait. They don't swim real fast. I mean, sink real fast, and they get good action in the water. They move around like that. Kind of look like a real minnow. You can fish them in both fresh and salt water. This thing right here, that dude would tear some reds up down on the coast of Texas and them speckled trout. So that's one of the ones that I'll use when I get to go to the coast this summer, hopefully. So I want to go spend a week down there with my wife wade fishing. So I don't know
Who's Wade?
Wade, that's my best buddy. So well, folks, you make your own mind up, but I'm going to tell you what I know, and I really like these baits. They're a pretty unique little bait. I think everybody ought to have 1 or 2 in their tackle box, you know. There we go. That's it, folks. So that's kind of what I think about them. I think they're a good bait. So we'll link in the below where you can actually find these baits to go look at them for yourself and make your own mind up on them. So that's really all I have to say about that. Well, you folks have a blessed day. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel, and hit that notification bell and hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you later. They're pretty nice little baits.